Hello everyone, and in this episode of Just the Gearhead, we're going to draw the names for the winners of the Milwaukee M12 Fuel Speed ratchets. So stay tuned. Like I said, this episode, or quick little video, we're going to announce the winners for the Milwaukee M12 Fuel Speed ratchets. So I've basically put everybody's name in a hat that commented on the previous video, and we're going to draw two names. Once I draw those two names, I will go back to the video and comment under you guys' original comments saying that you've won. And then you guys will have to contact me through justagearhead@hotmail.com. Send me an email with your mailing information, and I will get these mailed out to you guys. Hopefully that all made sense. Anyways, we will get to drawing names. This first name will be for the 3/8 ratchet, speed ratchet. So, okay, let's set that there. Close my eyes. Think around. Let's take this one. First person's name is Chad Dixon. So Chad Dixon, you have won the 3/8 M12 Fuel Speed Ratchet. So send me an email and we will get that sent out to you. The second one, which is the 1/4 Speed Ratchet, that will go to this one here, Mike Sikorsky. Alright, so Mike Sikorsky, like I said, you have won the 1/4" high-speed ratchet. So congratulations, guys. I will go comment on your original comments, and yeah, we'll get these mailed out to you. I'll put the email address here on the screen somewhere, so you guys can get it there, and I'll definitely put it down in the link, and I'll probably tag your guys' name in the link or something. But yeah, I'll make sure I go back and comment on the original comment, on your guys' original comments, so at least you have maybe a notification that you've won as well. But anyways, thanks for watching. Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays, all that stuff. Happy New Year. Hopefully it's a better one than the last one for everyone. And thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.